In this TeamWork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you the different ways you can view your calendar. To do that, go to the top menu bar and click on Calendar. Once your calendar page comes up, it should look something like this. If you want to view the current day, go to the top left of your calendar and click on Today. That will take you to whatever day it is on your schedule. Now, if you want to go backwards or forwards, click the arrows next to Today. I'm going to go backwards to get to a week with shifts on it. If you want to view one day at a time instead of the whole week, click on the Day button in the top right corner of your calendar. To go back to the weekly view, click on Week. And to go to a monthly view, click on Month. And if you would rather view your calendar as a list of days that you're scheduled to work, click on List. If you want to view more items on your calendar, go to the word Calendar and click the arrow next to it. In the drop-down menu, select Options. This will give you a list of all of the available items you can see on your calendar. You should be able to choose between schedule, time, swap board, my leave, availability, and events. Notice that each of those is color-coded. They will appear as the color they're highlighted in here on your calendar, and that's just to help you keep things straight. I'm going to go ahead and add my leave and availability. If I did not want these changes to take effect, I could hit Close, but I do want them to take effect, so I'm going to hit Submit. And now I can see my availability for each of these days, as well as a leave request. There are multiple availabilities on each day because this employee is available to work in different locations. They could work at the dining services, the burrito shop, the sport concessions, a variety of places, so all of those availabilities will show up. Also, notice that the availability sections have a yellow square next to them. The scheduled shift is blue, and if you look at the bottom of your screen, the requested day off is brown. There's one other calendar feature I want to show you, but in order to view it, you either need to go to Day or Week. In Day, you can see how many hours this employee is available to work at each of the locations they can work at. If I scroll down to the bottom, you'll see there's a choice to change it to full day. Right now, I'm viewing the business day schedule, which is from 8 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. If I want to see the full day, I click on the button in the bottom left corner of the calendar. Now I can view the schedule from 12 a.m. all the way to 11:59 p.m. To change it back to business hours, I just hit that button again, and it goes back. Those are all the ways you can view your calendar. If you want to change the business hours or any other default settings, check out the video Default Calendar View. And to learn more about your availability and leave, check out the next videos.